B. 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 Pinch it off, man. Come on, let's go.
What?
I say pinch it off. Alright.
You going to the dishwasher? Did you go to the dishwasher?
No, I did not go in the dishwasher that said it was clean.
So,
How did you know it was clean?
Because it said it was clean. That's why I went in there.
where you going now, man?
I'm just saying, bro. All I'm saying.
Check it out, for real though.
Okay,
when you come in right and say it's on, right?
Mm-hmm.
We got a bootleg dishwasher, so you gotta
Say
be
it's on,
careful.
right?
We gotta bootleg everything in this house.
Close it,
The washer, the dryer.
The kids.
You hit this and it don't go again. And the little light right there will come on, right? The little light right there. Push this button here and hold it down till it goes off.
Alright. Y'all got that? Did y'all get that? Because I didn't get it. I'm just not gonna open that up no more, okay?
There you go.
That's why we need plasticware in here.
Hey,
We do need
won't you get you some plasticware? Hey, when you take food to work, what do you?
I just put it in my hand and I hold it all day long. I just hold it in my hand all day long.
Go in your car and get all the containers and the silverware. I think I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree, get you some plastic forks to leave in your car and take those instead of our forks. Now, how many containers you got in the car?
I don't know, y'all just go in y'all room when I bring them in, and then y'all, when y'all see them appear, y'all know how many in there.
1,100.
Jilligy. That's how much is in there. Not even cold no more. That time I'm supposed to be cold this whole week. Yeah, Texas got this whole bipolar. Hey, y'all look at this. I'm almost stepped on dog doo-doo. you know what they supposed to look like? Cause Lord knows I would pick the wrong. What is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Y'all be careful right there. There was a spider web.
A spot right there.
It look,
What about these?
it look dead in, like mommy said. That's ready? Yep. But they it must be yellow or green.
Oh! There's thorns on them. Well, maybe they not ready. Brandon, don't smash them. Oh, look at that one down there, how yellow and pretty that is. But it's on the ground.
Go ahead and pick it, probably.
Pick it. How you gonna pick it if it's on the ground?
Shut up, fool.
Not that one.
Oh no, this one ready. This one ready. This look. That one ready to go. You could probably squeeze that and make lemon juice.
I'm fixing to boil these and make some lemon water.
Where the lemonade at?
I know. You wanna do a lemonade stand, bro?
Oh, yeah.
I would.
Let's see if they come buy something from us. We're just trying to just raise money for our baseball team. Oh, that's bro, it's a bird nest. Is that a snake in there?
Oh, gosh.
No, seriously.
Where?
What is that? What is that right there?
Mama, you straight.
Don't run, mama, where you going?
Come grab the snake. Come grab the snake.
He ready for eating and everything. Where he at?
How big is it? Can we eat it?
I don't this guy here. Nah, I just can't tell what it is really, honestly. That might be like doo-doo or something, huh?
No, that's a mess.
But it's a little lemon sitting in the nest.
Right here. You feel that bad boy.
They all in here though. Like it's a whole bunch.
there.
Bro, you scared the heck out of me.
That's enough.
Bro, stop crying and let us pick these things. Here. Catch.
That's not good.
It is good.
That's not good.
It is good.
That's enough.
You gonna cry?
Yeah.
She gonna cry in the car.
Baby, that's enough.
That little one in the middle.
Have a lemon picker in the.
And you gonna make me risk my life by getting bit by a snake?
Ain't no snake.
It is in the bird nest.
Okay, come on.
Hold on, let me try my softball.
Say it again. Brandon, why'd you do that?
Thank God it wasn't my arm, not my brother.
He just did a softball pitch from the mama and hit in the arm.
Hey, that would've been a strike.
Softball pitch, hit her arm. This nigga here is abusive. Hey man, I'm traumatized.
Oh, sit down.